online retailer. Let's welcome Mr. Neil Moliev to share his presentation.
My name is Nail. I'm CEO and founder at Youzu AI. We are providing visual AI platform for e-commerces to make product discovery intuitive, engaging, and highly profitable. Just to give you a few examples in regards to that, you probably have heard of Google Lens, Amazon Lens, and in China, AliExpress and Temu has got the same technology. Just to give one example in regards to Amazon, they spent millions and over 100 machine learning engineers and over a year to develop the technology that we developed. And we developed it with just 4 engineers in just a few months, and that's just one part of our technology. And I'm going to go into details of that. So the problem that we have with e-commerces is that they face very low conversion. Usually what happens is that the users actually check out some products, and then especially that's relevant for furniture, because the furniture users are basically using it once a month or once in a couple of months, and then just wait 5 months, basically they don't use it anymore. So another point is that the users would like to have better tools, and with the rise of AI, it is all possible now. So this is 4 technologies that for products that we developed. And I already mentioned quite about Youzu Lens. We have room visualization, specifically for furniture. We have interactive 3D, where we turn flat images into 3D part, and then magic background, where we remove and add backgrounds for specific products. So if we go specifically for Youzu Lens, you can see as in this picture that you can find relevant and similar and exact same products if it's existed in the e-commerce catalog. So the user actually takes a picture and finds similar items. And it happens within just a few seconds. What we do differently from many of others is that we don't just find picture as a whole, as an input, but we identify all the items in the picture and would be able to give suggestions and recommendations relevant. So that increases product discovery part and decreases basically search abandonment part. So don't think about it just about as a product discovery, think of it also as a recommendation engine. So for example, in this case, you can, let's say that some of the products are sold out, but the e-commerce has got similar items, right? And then you can actually provide recommendations for that. And it could be also cross-category recommendation and as enriched data for text search as well. In the room visualizer part, we have, there is not a complete picture here, but what you can see is that there is a room design that is being generated by AI. We identify all the items within this picture, and then, for example, in this case, we recommend the coffee table. And as you can see also from some of the statistics, that basically these kind of features increases conversion rates, it increases order value, and it gives the furniture customers to be more engaged into their platforms. And then here also there might be different cases. For example, as you get more data, more images, more generated data, then you can be able to actually sell more through specific bundles, through complete shopping, room shopping, etc. In terms of magic background, there are lots of cases where products of e-commerces, they are in white or transparent background, so there's not nice pictures. And in order to make it in a nice environment, we need to hire photographers, and then basically some people who will basically make it much more costly. And in that case, decrease cost for the e-commerces, and that kind of nicer pictures make CTRs much better. And then there are also multiple applications for it. So it could be some seasonal campaigns, it could be refreshing the catalog, and as I mentioned also, if you have just white and transparent background pictures, we can add this magic background, more images. there is, and the last product that we are actually developing is 3D, interactive 3D part. So by just giving us one flat image, we would be able to turn it into 3D environment, and which also gives much nicer experience for e-commerce customers. That will increase engagement and also increase conversion rates. And the applications of it is that a user will be able to see the image from each angle, so that they can actually make better decisions in terms of like if they would like to buy it or not. Another point of ours, like compared to our competitors, we provide very fast onboarding for customers. Even if it's large customer, like let's say with billions of SKUs, we would still be able to onboard them very fast into our platform. One customer that we have in Europe is called iterate. We are in 10 countries with them. We are based in Romania, but we are in 10 Central and European countries with them. So what we've done with them, we have increased their conversion rates, we increased their average order value, and also we increased the time of their customers spent. So they implemented with us our room visualizer feature as well. And if you go to their website, you will be able to see our product straight away integrated in their homepage. If you compare us to some of our competitors, I didn't include Google Lens or Amazon and other products because usually these competitors are just using it for their products. They are not actually selling it for other e-commerces. But these guys are actually selling. So our difference is that they have specific products. They are not the whole visual AI suite that we have. And basically, in terms of our infrastructure, our costs are much lower because like we optimize the way that it's costing us, which means that we can actually have much larger margins on top of our products. So these are our pricing. I'll go quickly. There is a self-serve platform where we are like basically the customers can set up their system themselves, and there's enterprise customers where we can actually provide specific SDK, specific UI for them, and specific services at large scale. These are my contact details. You can approach me later. I would love to talk with e-commerce platforms and partner up also with some companies where we can perhaps partner up. Thank you so much.